What is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to compare Jira and ClickUp. Which among the two is better? So let's dive into the video. Choosing the right project management tool can make or break your team's productivity. Two big players, Jira and ClickUp, are popular, but which one is right for you? First up, Jira. Built for software development teams, Jira shines when it comes to agile workflows, sprints, and integrations with tools like Bitbucket and GitHub. ClickUp, on the other hand, is a generalist. It's perfect for marketing, HR, operations, basically any team, not just devs. Think of it as all in one tasks, goals, docs, and even chat. Jira's customization runs deep, but that also means a steeper learning curve. You'll need a bit of setup and admin time. ClickUp is more visual, easier to use out of the box, and lets you toggle between list, board, Gantt, or calendar views with a click. Jira's pricing sales well for large dev teams, especially with Atlassian's ecosystem. ClickUp has a generous free tier and competitive pricing, making it ideal for startups or smaller cross-functional teams. So, if you're a software team running sprints, go Jira. If you want a flexible, easy to use tool for all kinds of work, ClickUp's your best bet. Don't pick the most popular. Pick what works for you. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!